Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from your Bitcoin wallet. Now in order to withdraw money from your Bitcoin wallet, you can use any of the Bitcoin wallet such as Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, cryptocurrency app, any of these. However, the procedure is also going to be different. Now for example, in some cases you'll have to sell a crypto and you can deposit the amount into your bank account. However, some cryptocurrency has a different way of doing it. So in some cases you can directly link your bank account, and from there you can sell the crypto and the amount's going to be added to your linked bank account. So in order to do that, what you'll have to do is, first of all, let me go ahead and select Binance. Now Binance is one of the easiest way of trading on crypto app. Once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap the trade icon located right at the bottom, and from there you can go ahead and select the buy button. After that, you need to select the cryptocurrency that you wish to sell, so go ahead and tap on it and then select sell in order to sell it. So when you sell the Bitcoin, then you'll be able to receive amount in a cash form, and it's going to be added to your linked bank account. So similarly, you can do this procedure for rest of the other applications or the crypto app. So that is how you can withdraw money from Bitcoin wallet. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.